It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to my YouTube account. I'm gonna do. Oh my! I have four likes on this video. 59 views. What? 21 comments? Bro, how could there be 21 freaking comments in this video? Wait. Let's see my 42 subs. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys this. If I reach 50 subs, you guys get free shoutouts. The people who subscribe, they get free shoutouts. Alright, let's just go to my videos. Okay, let's go to my channel a little bit. Okay, now we get to go to my channel. World's Strongest Engine 1. Wait.
So, let's get started.
Wait. 4 likes and 59 views. And 21 comments. Let's see here. Let's see. Next key, Do, Young Bao, Diesel, Thomas, Lexi, and Edward. Suggested by Thomas the Tank Engine. Oh no. Golly, hey! Who are you? And why are you on my channel? No one likes you. Get out. Fine. Sorry about that, guys. That was just my mean clone. He can get a little bit grumpy sometimes. But anyways, you guys wanted
Thomas and his friends.
Oh yeah, and you guys wanted another World's Strongest Engine, huh? I'll give you some more. Except
Let's get started.
So yeah, as my clone said, if you do subscribe to my channel, you get free shoutouts. So yeah, so I'm gonna do a request now. It's gonna be by Thomas the Tank Engine. So I'm gonna be right back and set up the train. Oh, sorry guys. So apparently, like the first World's Strongest Engine. Hold on. So yeah. So I'm gonna do another World's Strongest Engine, suggested by Thomas the Tank Engine. So I'm doing his suggestion. Bad news is he wanted a suggestion with Diesel and Lexi. Well, bad news is I couldn't find Diesel. He's hidden somewhere, but I forgot where I put him. And Lexi, she's going pretty low, so I had to replace them with Spencer and Crash to Repair Thomas. So first up, we got Young Bao versus Spencer. I added a white side route to Spencer. They are off. Ooh, Young Bao. Ooh, he doing good. My punts are. Oh my gosh, my punts are horrible. Okay, Spencer, where are you going, boy? All right, Spencer wins. Next up, we have Jungle Thomas versus Crash Repair Thomas. Don't worry, he does work, except it takes him kind of a while to take him to start. Alright, and they are off. Jungle Thomas is winning. Hot some bugs. There he goes. Oh, snap. Haha, you think you running, huh? Alright, now we have Edward versus Peter Sam. Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. Okay, according to that, Peter Sam won. Because if you put the camera, if you put your devices in slow motion, you can technically see that Peter Sam won. So now to finish the quarterfinals, it is Nia versus Steelworks Thomas. Steelworks Thomas is still on fire. He keeps on rolling. He is like Steelworks Thomas. Like, if there was literally a national world strongest engine competition, he would like literally win. He's like literally on fire. Well, he's not on actual fire. All right. Now we have Spencer versus Jungle Thomas. Oh my gosh, Spencer's winning. Alright. Oh. Oh no. My phone. Wait. Oh, okay, my bad. Alright, semifinal 2. Spencer, Peter Sam versus Steelworks Thomas. Okay, finally, about time. Finally, someone beats him. Finally, Peter Sam. Even when I'm not recording, oh my gosh, finally, yes. Hold on. Quickly, I have some bad news. Spencer has lost the wheel, but don't worry. He still runs. He ain't no chicken. Final round. Spencer versus Peter Sam. Peter Sam should win. Oh. Wait.